Welcome to the South Education Academy, and today we are going to talk about Social Studies Chapter 9 Post-War World and India. So we are going to see the repeating and most important questions of our board examination of Telangana. So let's start it here. So this is the notes and we have to see the important questions. So the important question is starting from here. First of all, we will see the multiple choice question, then we will go through the questions. Okay, this is not a process of post world war. So such type of question is given, identify the correct one. You have to be just remember this name. What is the mean by WHO, World Health Organization? This one, ICC is, what is the mean by this one? You have to know about it. Okay, West Asian crisis and related to this. Okay, this is not related to the USA. Okay, which is there, we have to tell about this. And this match the flowing. Seventh one is very important because it have chances to come in the 4 marks. Okay, definitely one or two question will come for the 4 marks. One question definitely, if any in any chapter it come. Okay, right, let's talk about the very short question answer. What is the called the Zionist movement? What is the mean by veto power? Veto power is very important. This is very powerful power which we need. Like India is not in the veto power. Okay, it is in Russia. Few countries have this power, Russia, China. These have a veto power. Explain the important process that took place after the Second World War. This is there. And after that, why should India be permanent member of Security Council? This is important in the United Nations organization. Okay, easy type question. Explain the relation between India and two bordering countries in present day. So actually, if this question will come, or if you want to, if you are quite interested in politics, then you have to write about the relation between India, between the India relation. You want to be write about India relation between two abroading country, then compare this India with China and Singapore. Compare with this two, from this two of the bordering country. If we talk about the bordering country, then if you can compare with China, not Sri Lanka. If it is asking about bordering country, then you can compare about like Pakistan is not able to compare because it is this one and we have one bordering country we can compare, that is China only. Otherwise we can compare with Bhutan is best, we can compare. And otherwise Myanmar. These are the very not more developed state than India. India is more developed than that states. But China, we are China is very forward with us. Okay, so these are the seventh one is important because you have to be locate this in the map. So I hope in this one it is still here only, and in the next chapter we will talk 20 chapter important question. So I hope everything is clear and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding to this one. If you have a doubt, you leave a comment. If you need a chapter wise social studies, so in description there is a link, you can check out. Okay, so I hope everything is clear and we will meet a next video. Jai Hind.